Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a sales rep for Armada Waste, and today we're going to go over how to use a lock bar for your commercial front load containers. One of the things a lock bar is great for is if you have illegal dumping in your container. If you have other either neighbors or people that drive by that see you have an open container and they throw their waste inside your box, thus filling it up more and having you have an increased cost for disposal. So a lock bar is a great option if you want to keep out your neighbors or somebody else is throwing things in there, and also critters that might be getting in and tearing your trash out, throwing it all over your enclosure. How you're going to use your lock bar: when you get your container, you'll actually find a piece of metal that hinges at the front and then closes over the two plastic lids that go over your container. On the front of that metal bar, you'll see a small box, and that's where the gravity lock actually exists for the lock bar. You'll see a little tab on the left side that you can pull forward, unlocking that bar that you can move backwards and then get into, have access to your container. Whenever you're ready to lock that lock bar in the lock position, move the bar forward, let that tab fall to where the two holes will actually connect, and you'll provide your own padlock. It'll be a padlock, a code lock, something that you would provide yourself to actually lock that lock bar in the lock position. You do not need to provide us a key to get into your lock bar. The gravity lock that's actually on the front allows the lock to unhinge from that locked position when your container is being dumped. And when it's placed back down to be put back in your enclosure or where you keep your dumpster, that lock will rehinge into the locked position, making it only accessible to you and anybody else that you would give a key. If you have any questions about getting a lock bar or any other options we may have to assist you with your waste removal, please call your local office and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.